You searched how to buy shares of Cal-Maine Foods, Inc. Cal-Maine is a major U.S. egg producer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HALM. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy Calm, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TAM to locate Cal-Maine Foods, Inc. Choose the results showing NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct listing. On the asset page, check the basic company information in the price chart to understand recent price movement. Verify the company name and the NASDAQ ticker CALM to confirm it's the right stock. To place an order, enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set according to the order type. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to visit the platform.